I can see the Prime Minister now. I can see the cavalcade of the Prime Minister now moving. In fact, my video journalist Amit is capturing those visuals as his escort moves ahead, and there comes the jeep on which the Prime Minister is there, very clearly holding the road show. It's a 3-kilometer long road show. The Prime Minister there can be seen very clearly along with the MLAs and also Member of Parliament. Look, it's very clear that this is a form of campaigning that the BJP has mastered over the last few years. That in every poll-bound state, the Prime Minister does these road shows to galvanize his supporters, to send a message that they cannot, become complacent or take anything for chance, particularly in the run-up to the first vote which will be cast, or in the day particularly on which the vote will be cast. 121 seats go to polls on 6th. That is the day of the first phase of election, and this is largely in the districts around Patna. In all, there are 14 assembly constituencies which are there in Patna district. Patna has been voting for the BJP, so it's not much of a surprise. But then it is almost like, capping up his day-long campaigning with a public meeting in Ara, another public meeting in Nevada district, and now Prime Minister here in Patna as he holds that road show. His cavalcade has started moving. We have started getting those visuals. And Sajjan, when we look at this form of campaigning, many would say Patna is anyways going to vote for the BJP. Then why is the Prime Minister holding a road show here?
Yes, Maria, because you see, wherever you go, whichever district you go to, Mithila, Darbhanga, you go to Tirut, and you will find that they expect Prime Minister to have a rally there because they expect it to add momentum. But I think Patna has been chosen strategically because you do not have much time left, and therefore you need to do it into the capital at the heart of the state. And therefore it sends a message more than the voters. What BJP needs at this juncture is to galvanize its cadres and workers so that they ensure that their core constituency of NDA, they step out and vote. Because when you are in power for 20 years, it always has two aspects which may go against you. One, a sense of complacency, as you pointed out, and two, the heightened aspiration which doesn't get fulfilled, and therefore you feel some sort of dissonance. So to bring a sort of coherence and galvanize the voters so that not only you attract the others, you retain your core, but also ensure that the core constituency step out and go to vote. So Mera Booth Sabse Mazboot kind of a strategy. So Prime Minister has chosen the heart of the state to galvanize the voters, the cadres and workers, so that now it is time not to win over, because already mind it, the social constituency based on caste community, based on gender, based on age, based on occupation has been set. What is important at this juncture that you ensure that they come out and vote, and that is the job of the workers and the cadres. And therein comes Prime Minister's rally at the heart. Because mind it, the opponent may be out of the power, but their support base is also quite intact and assertive, and therefore BJP cannot afford to take any chance. They cannot afford to let go of any slippages. And that is why Patna is somewhere wherein they can have representative, and that will send a visual and imagery that will resonate. And that is why when you have limited time, you choose the place which resonates with the state. And mind it, 6th November, when first page is there, it's the inner circle of Bihar. If you take the map, it's like we have sliced two circles. So periphery majority is going to vote on second phase, but in and around Patna, you see overwhelmingly they are voting on 6th, and that is why Patna has that sort of centrality. Yes, Maria.
Absolutely. So 121 seats go to polls in the first phase in Bihar, and the remaining seats go to polls, that is 122 in the second phase on 11th, and the results, of course, on 14. But the brand here, brand Narendra Modi, in the context of Bihar, Rajat Sethi, a strong brand, a strong, Mr. Modi is the mascot of the BJP. Remember, there is only one leader who has pan Bihar acceptability, which is Mr. Narendra Modi. There is no state leader in Bihar who has that kind of acceptability. So Rajat Sethi, let's talk about brand Narendra Modi, and then we juxtapose this in the context of Bihar.
So Maria, you've been a long-time journalist. Have you ever seen any political leader of any hue and color, any political ideology, having people take out aarti thalis and trying to do aarti of a leader from their balconies? It's just a rare visual, which I believe will be recorded in history, would be recounted long after this time, and you will see that the kind of fan following that he had was unparalleled, and I believe he singularly has the capacity to tilt the elections from one side to the other. He's been doing it for the past 11 years at the national scale. Unprecedented. I have no words. And I believe any election which might be stuck because of, local anti-incumbency or anything of that sort, pivots around him, and then you see things fall in his
the shots continue
over
to
and
come
over again.
Yes, the visuals are continuing to come of this roadshow which is happening in Patna. Earlier today, remember, Prime Minister held 2 public meetings, one in Ara, another one in Nevada. What did he say? Why did he come out all guns blazing against the Mahagathbandhan? Listen into some sound bites as we continue to show those visuals of Prime Minister Modi's roadshow. All right, so we can see now the movement of the Prime Minister's cavalcade, which has started coming in. Amit, if you can zoom in and show those visuals which are being captured on my camera here. 2020 to 2025 Bihar. It's a sharp shift, clearly. If 2020 was about anger against Nitish Kumar, 2025 Bihar is about affection towards Nitish Kumar. He's seen as the man who did for Bihar what nobody else had done in the past. If 2020 Bihar was also about Prime Minister Modi and the discussion around the food on the plates of the migrants in the context of the COVID lockdown and how Mr. Modi ensured distribution of that to, food being given to 80 lakh people. This election is very different. This election is around Nitish Kumar, and Prime Minister Modi is here. The presence of Mr. Modi certainly positions the BJP and galvanizes his cadre, sends a message to the cadres and the supporters of the BJP that if the man leading from the front is putting in so many hours. Okay, so let's listen into some audio which is coming in from the ground. Heard the sounds of this rally where I am. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Patna holding a 3-kilometer long roadshow. It began 20 minutes ago and he is yet to cover more than 2 kilometers of this roadshow. The mood on the ground is euphoric. Mr. Modi, a popular leader, Mr. Modi sending a message that he is leading from the front, that he remains among the people when it comes to, this is an important election. 2025 Bihar will set the tone for the 5 states which go to polls next year. And, we have the visuals now of the Prime Minister, so we'll play those bites of the rally a little later in the day. Prime Minister Modi will be coming into our frames any moment now. The mood here on the ground is electrifying. The mood is certainly of, cheering for the Prime Minister, welcoming him. And as we have seen, 2020, Mr. Modi did the heavy lifting. The BJP emerged as the single largest party, and it was because of the BJP's performance of 70% strike rate that the NDA went on to form the government 5 years ago. Will it be the case even this time around remains to be seen. But certainly the mood on the ground is euphoric, and the sense is that when it comes to, yes, here he is, the Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, doing the road show. His cavalcade is moving slowly, and he is interacting with the supporters and supporters of the BJP, telling them that he is among his supporters, he is among his voters, that he is here to ask for votes, that he wants to get their support. I'm again a word now from Sajjan Kumar. Sajjan, just look at this. Mr. Modi holding the roadshow. He's waving to the people, and we are capturing those visuals now on my camera. There is a media van which is moving ahead of him, and here comes Mr. Modi. Standing next to him is Lalan Singh, the JDU leader, and other leaders of other alliance partners. Prime Minister Modi holding the lotus, the party symbol, and he is waving at the people. The Patna Sahib MP is also present here. He is Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad and other leaders of the BJP in attendance as Prime Minister Modi holds this roadshow in Patna. Let's listen in to the sounds which are coming in from the ground. BJP and its election-winning machine, long and about Mr. Modi and multiple forms of engineering and campaigning, multiple forms that till the last day, till the moment the vote is counted, they will not leave anything to us. They will cut the strong rooms, and they will also ensure that there is man-to-man marking, so that every voter of the BJP actually steps out of their homes and actually goes to the polling booth.
Now the road show underway in Patna. Prime Minister Modi there on your screens. As was planned, Prime Minister Modi started that road show from the Dinkar Golambar, and now he's moving through the streets of Patna. Many have come over there to catch one glimpse of the Prime Minister. An intense battle is being fought for the state of Bihar, and Prime Minister, one of the biggest faces and campaigners, is there today.